Alright, it's dark and it's cold, and I'm going to get my last tire done here, but as you can see, plugged it into the car outlet here. Here's the tire. Take off the cap. Here's the device. If you can see on there, there's a setting. It's at 0 right now, but it's reading the pressure. You plug this in. Put the cap in my mouth here. Screw the nozzle in. Now if you look down, you see it's reading the pressure of the tire. If you hit this button, it'll tell you what PSI you want it to be. I want it to be at 41, which held from the previous tire that I just did. Actually all previous 3. And then from there, you just turn on underneath the light switch. As you see, it's starting to go up. And when it hits 41, it's going to stop automatically. I'm going to save the film footage for another time, but at 41 it'll stop with the pressure, and cool little device. Great on a cold, dark night. See you guys.